Good evening friends, my name is Kyle Maddox and welcome to my video. I'm an ex-IT manager of the big company and right now I'm testing different tools in crypto. Today's video is about one simple question. Is it possible to get free USDT in 2026? Are there any real ways to claim free USDT right now? And today I'm going to test one interesting tool with you. Okay, first of all, let me put this video on the record so you can see everything live step by step. As always guys, before we start, I want to be clear. Nothing I show here is financial advice. I'm not telling you to do anything, but I do recommend watching the full video from very beginning to the end so you can understand how I find these tools, how I test that, and get real impression of how it all works. Okay, so if you don't know me yet, I have my own Telegram channel. I will show it right here and you can pause the video and find it. Just please be careful and use only the official links. And here guys, let me just find, I have one interesting post and one interesting tool that I want to test today. So to see how it actually works, what it is, and is it worth of interacting with it at all? Okay, so first of all guys, let me just start the game. All right, and this is a game, I'm opening the game, and this is a crypto game that currently sitting on the top on the ton apps. And this tool is supposed to improve the quality of the game, so today I'm going to test it. And here I have several modes, there is even a demo mode here, maybe I will show you how it works in the next video. There are also some conditions here, so let me quickly complete them. It's not a big deal from here also, just literally give me just 1 minute, I'm gonna do it real fast and show you how it works. Alright, so I'm gonna choose here, there, and all I need just copy this one and open my main. All right, so here I just need to go there. Okay, just enter like that and choose what I really need for test today. All right. Okay, and while we're waiting guys, feel free to drop a like and leave a comment under this video. I read almost every comment and sometimes I even make new videos based on your suggestions, you know, and your support really means a lot to me. Okay, so I need just to wait. Yeah, as you can see, it's already updated, so that's really fast. This is what I liked. I'm gonna close the app and try to reopen the game again right in front of you so you can check is everything updated. So let's see. Yeah, it's already on the place. I really like how fast this tool reacts, guys. It's super quick. Okay, and I'll continue here, so I'm gonna press like that. Yeah, and the loading has started. Now comes the moment I'm really curious about what's going to happen next. I will see in a second. Okay, this actually interesting guys. Today I'm going to test exactly the things. Okay, and I don't want to waste time, so let me just quickly set up the way I need to here, so like that. Yeah, and all I just need to check one more time, the location is here. Okay, so I simply need to just follow the pictures what I see here. So there, yeah, look at this guys. As you can see, it's really work, like wow. So now I want to quickly check if I can send all of this back, because this is the main reason I test these tools. So all I need just to choose what I want here. Yeah, like that is gonna be nice. Yeah, I just need to open the main and find the where. So I literally go there, just grab my information like this and go back to the game. Okay, so just let me enter it right here like that and confirm. Okay, as you can see, everything reacts really fast, guys. I like that a lot. I don't have to spend hours like figuring this out. Okay, so just need to wait. I just need to wait here, and yeah, as you can see, it's already updated. And I'm really excited to see what's happened next, guys. I'm a little even nervous, you know, to be honest. Usually half of these tools doesn't work like at all, so I'm gonna just wait the update here. All I just need is to refresh the page, and yeah, look at these guys. Look, it's already here, guys. Oh my god, everything already in the place. Let me just check here. To be honest, I'm a bit surprised, guys. Look at that. Wow, you saw me test one live tool right now, and that was actually a really cool experience, guys. Wow. Okay, so guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more different ways and tools on this channel, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you in another one very soon.